Hi friends, it's Sarah and welcome back to another video, or hello if you are new here, it's nice to have you. I decided to film all the steps in the process to create the stickers for my monthly sticker mail subscription that I do, and I'm really excited to bring you guys along for the process. So for the monthly subscription, I create 2 sticker sheets and 1 waterproof die cut sticker. And first I sketch out all the drawings on the Procreate app on my iPad. This month I used the technical pencil brush to do the sketches here. So my theme for December is board games and toys with a holiday color palette. If you're into bullet journaling, I also made a December bullet journal setup video that's on my channel now, and I made these stickers to go along with my bullet journal theme. While I'm sketching these stickers out, I thought I'd give you guys some updates and we can just chat for a little bit. So first, I've made the decision to do a rebrand of my shop for 2021, and I'll be letting go of the name Plantful that's been my online business and persona, I guess, for the past 3 years. I've already changed my Instagram and YouTube name a couple months ago to the name by Sarah Eliz, because I feel like now this name captures me and what I'm about better than Plantful does, and it also feels less restrictive than I've been starting to feel with that old name. So basically, I'm just ready to fully embrace the new name, even for my shop and Patreon page, which feels like the biggest change with changing my domain name and everything. I'm also going to be refreshing the look of my website, the look of my sticker sheets, and my brand color and style. So yeah, it's just been a large time of transition for me lately, and I'm so excited, honestly. I know it's just a name and I could always create whatever kind of content I wanted, but with this new name, it just feels so much more me, and it'll allow me to express more myself and my individuality online than I did before. So yay to fresh starts. And with that being said, my shop is going to be closed for the month of December while I'm making all these changes, but my Patreon will remain open, which is the only place to sign up for the monthly sticker subscription that I'm currently creating stickers for in this video anyway. So my Patreon is also home to printables, including all my shop's retired sticker sheets, so you can print and use them as many times as you want. So with all that out of the way, I wanted to get back to the vlog, and on this part I am creating a new layer to do the line work for the stickers, and I'm using the monoline brush. Then I create a new layer under the line art to color the stickers, and I'm using the dry ink brush to do the colors. So I use a silhouette portrait machine to cut out my stickers. So now I'm just pulling the designs into the silhouette software to get them ready to be printed and cut out. And here's a time lapse of drawing my die cut sticker where I drew some cute little ornaments. I really like how this one turned out actually, so even though I didn't film myself drawing it, I wanted to include the time lapse. Yay, happy dance because stickers are done. That's always a very satisfying feeling. So here are the completed designs. Next, I wanted to show you guys how I take photos of my stickers. So here I'm just setting up a little flat lay. This is going to be how I reveal the stickers both to my Patreon page and also promote it on Instagram and stuff like that. So I'm just using a few props that I use, including some wood slabs, some fake plants, and also this blanket that I pull over for my photos. And I'm just taking some pictures now. And here is how they turn out. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. It was very casual and not too fancy, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see more videos from me, you know what to do. Just subscribe down below and please like this video if you liked it. Look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Bye!